How to unblock someone in LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch any browser on your device and search for linkedin.com. You will reach on the official interface where you have to sign in to LinkedIn. After that, you will reach to the home screen of LinkedIn. At the top, you will see the Me tab. Simply click on it and a drop-down menu box appears. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now, once you get access to the settings page, on the left panel, you will get a bunch of options. Click Visibility. Now, on this visibility page, scroll down and you will find blocking option. Click this arrow next to blocking. You will see all the list of the blocked users on LinkedIn. In order to unblock, click on the unblock button. Here you have to enter the password to unblock this member and you will not be able to reblock this member for 48 hours after unlocking. Once you have entered the password, you can easily unblock these users on LinkedIn. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.